Yes. Still on that back side if you can grab it.
Yeah, stuff it.
Yeah. Yeah, doggy. Alright, let me get some of this junk cleared up here so we got some place to transfer the son of a gun. Taking all the people along for the ride. They're gonna get sick. If I had two hands, I could go faster, but the people want to see the videos. Gotta give the people what they want. Nice.
Alright.
Here we go.
See what happens. Alright. I know where to pray on this one.
Want a hammer?
No.
Fine. It was like beating on stuff better than prying on it. It's gonna be heavy. It's cast iron, you know.
Yeah, I can tell.
Bark and V8. What do we got? Oh, it looks just as bad as the other one.
Nothing leaking. I don't get it. I don't think we need to do head gaskets.
Well, we do now.
I'll have to look these closer and get them cleaned up.
I wonder if maybe just the freeze plugs were going on it. And it was leaking out that way.
Maybe.
There's a lot of crud inside there, but...
I noticed over here, that might have been what the guy did.
Oh, nice.
Nothing's even washed out like it was burning coolant, so it had to have been just leaking.
A little bit of oil around those two back cylinders there, though. In between the mating surface.
It's pretty dirty, but I'm not too concerned about it, really.
Yeah. Huh.
Strange.
Because it was overheating.
It had no coolant. Probably just leaking.
Yeah, but
It wasn't holding pressure, so it was overheating.
I'm trying to figure out where would it be going. Water pump?
Freeze plugs.
Freeze plugs?
This is kind of weird. That's recent though. So I wonder if it was leaking out of there, and when the guy buttoned it back up, he did that so he could drive it. And
Could be.
figured he was good.
Yeah, because you can see the rust on the bottom there.
I don't know.
Kind of a hokey repair job, but
This thing was a good motor still, I bet.
yeah.
Besides the leaking freeze plugs.
Well, freeze plugs ought to be a hell of a lot cheaper than head gaskets. Maybe.
Well, still gotta do head gaskets.
Well, yeah. Interesting.
Yeah, that is interesting. Cylinders are pretty oily and dirty though.
Rings maybe starting to go. I mean, look, I mean, a lot of that's probably just carbon. Because this thing probably had a lot of short trips in its last several years.
Yeah.
You know, up to and from the dump from the seller's house. Get a shot of this other side here so the peeps can see.
Up in, look at it real close.
Get your big old nasty Bigfoot out of the way there. And like I said, a lot of carbon. A little dirtier on the other side, but not bad. Huh.
Let's take a valve seal. Or just because it's been sitting on.
It could be. Interesting. Okay. It's apart. It's down as far as we're going to take it. Except for maybe a water pump, but haven't decided yet.